Hey friends, hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Tika with Tika Loves Fashion. I appreciate you guys so much. I've gained some more subscribers, some more views, and I owe it all to you guys, and I really do appreciate it. And I know you guys are looking like, oh, new hair. Yes, new hair. This is from Klaiyi hairline, and this is it's 22-inch Jerry curly hair. Sometimes I wear it wet, but I wanted to wear it a little big today. So this is my new look for a little while. I don't know if you guys see me again. It might be something else. Who knows? You know, it's a thing. But it's very comfortable, very good hair, little to no shedding. And I'll put the description of it at the bottom, and including who installed it. But just very easy, very manageable. I just wet it and go. You know, don't have to do a whole lot of fussing with it, and that's why I like it. But today, let's get into brunch. You know, are you brunching? You know, you guys should be brunching, but know what to wear when you're going to brunch. You know, I always say shop from your closet, which in these looks that you guys are about to see, including this one that I have on, you guys will see it in the next clip. It's more so shopping for, you know, from your closet, but just wearing things that you would like to wear to brunch. There are classy brunches, there are garden brunches, rooftop brunches, there's all types of brunches, as long as you're going, having fun, and getting some good food, right? So, and like I said, in some of the clothes, I may not know exactly, or shoes, may not know exactly where they came from, but just know if I do, I'm going to put it in the description box. Like I said, to shop in my closet, some of these things I've had, feels like for ages. I do tend to keep my items, you know, I do purge my closet, but I do keep items that I believe can last a little longer. So, you know, I just want you guys to get into more of a brunch vibe. Sit back. If you're brunching right now, keep brunching. If you're about to go to brunch, you know, maybe this is the time where you'll be deciding what to wear. But you guys let me know what you guys like to wear to brunch. Because I wear anything on any given day for brunch that you guys will see in the next clip. I mean, brunch is just a thing. And sometimes I'm a little classy, and sometimes you're going to catch me, you know, maybe in a dress and some sneakers. It just, like I said, doesn't really matter as long as you're having fun. But I want you guys to see some different variations to maybe help you out, maybe pull some things from that closet that you guys haven't seen in a while. Pop some tags, sis. But I will see you guys in the next clip. And as always, thank you for subscribing, sharing, commenting, and love you guys. Hey YouTubers, this is Tika with Tika Loves Fashion. On my channel, I'm going to be talking about everything from cool handbags to fire sneakers, but not in that order. I'm also going to be talking about clothing hauls and just what I think about the fashion industry in general. So tune in. And who is this coming to brunch? Oh, this is the tall friend, the friend that wants to come in her mini leopard shirt dress. She has on her black heels, kept it simple, but she added a pop of color with her red fedora. And sis is happy, she is frilly, she's excited, and she is comfortable for brunch. Next dress. And look at the next guest for brunch. She's wearing a nice floral pink dress with her yellow flowers. So she's probably going to an outside brunch. She has her clutch with her. She's flirty. The dress is asymmetrical. This dress is from ASOS, by the way. And she has a cute fedora on. Next dress. Now this outfit is for your friend that has a bit of an attitude. She's coming in her jumpsuit. She has her cute clutch that says funds are low, need a sugar daddy. She knows that she's not coming with any money. She's looking for some, okay? But she also has her Von Dutch hat. She kept it with the attitude. Next outfit. And this brunch outfit is for your edgy friend, the friend that comes. She knows all the tea, okay? She knows everything. She has attitude. She's serving looks. She's put on her red fedora. Her shoes have clocks on them so she knows the time. But please don't ever think that you have to not wear a black dress to a brunch event. There are classy brunch events. She's given attitude during her close-ups. And that concludes our brunch stories. Whew, guys, that brunch was delicious. But I wanted to come back and thank you guys for watching my show. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please continue to like, subscribe, comment, share my channel, share with everybody. But I love you all and have a good brunch. Hey YouTubers, thanks for tuning in. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and also follow me on IG, Tika Loves Fashion, to see some of my fashion tips and pretty much how I just dress things in general. Tune in.